Hey there, savvy shoppers. If you're an Amazon Prime member and you've got that shiny Visa card in your wallet, you're in for a treat. Today, we're breaking down how to manage your Amazon Prime Visa card like a pro. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresher, stick around because this guide will save you time and hassle. First things first, let's talk about activation. Once your card arrives, you'll need to activate it right away. Head over to the Chase website or app, since Amazon partners with Chase for this card, and follow the simple prompts. You'll enter your card details and verify your identity, which usually takes just a minute or two. Boom, you're good to go. Next up, accessing your account. Log in to your Chase online portal or mobile app using the credentials you set up during activation. This is your hub for everything card related. Here, you can easily check your current balance, review recent transactions, and spot any unauthorized charges. Speaking of security, always keep an eye on your statements to catch issues early. It's a smart way to protect your finances. Now, let's cover payments. To avoid late fees, set up AutoPay in the app. You can link your bank account and schedule payments for your due date. Plus, if you prefer manual payments, just use the website to make a one-time transfer. Don't forget about those rewards. Your Amazon Prime Visa card earns you 5% back on Amazon purchases, 2% at restaurants, gas stations, and more. Track your points in the rewards section and redeem them for statement credits or Amazon gift cards. One more tip. Customize your alerts. Set notifications for purchases, payments, or low balances to stay on top of your spending. And if you ever run into problems, Chase's customer service is just a call or chat away. Look for the support options in your account. Wrapping this up, managing your Amazon Prime Visa card is straightforward and can help you maximize those perks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.